Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tassim sir and today my dear students we are going to learn question number 2. Okay? But what again I am telling you question number 2 of exercise number 9. In last session we have done the question number 1. Which chapter we are going to learn? Measurement. वरना कौन सा माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न measurement. So again and again I am telling you here we are going to learn exercise number 9A. Question number 2. Okay, question number 2. What we have to measure the length of object. Measure the length of measure the length of this object. Okay, so here so many objects are here. So my dear students, try to draw this all objects. You have to mention in your book all. Understood, my dear students? You have to mention it properly and without a pencil and scale you cannot draw it properly. So my dear students, take out your pencil or scale. Understood all? I am doing here all. What my dear students I am going to draw here. This is what my dear students is the key. Okay, and we have to write the centimeter. About how many centimeter we don't know. Okay, we have to write the all things in a blank. Then after B, we are going to draw straw. What we are going to draw, my dear students? We are going to draw a straw. Okay. So we have to measure the length, my dear students. Okay, draw with me all my dear students properly in your book. Okay, draw with me my dear students. Okay, my dear students, so what is this all? You have to draw as like get a equal distance. Okay. Put my points, my dear students. What I am telling you here, you must be have to draw this all figure. Okay, so it's a properly measurement. Now I am going to draw a scale here. You have to measure a ruler distance, ruler measurement. Okay, here you have to draw properly in your book. And then after here, you check the length. Okay, how many centimeter? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here is 10. Okay, so here we have to draw the proper measurement. Put my points, my dear students, what I am telling you, you have to draw the proper shape. Okay, so now my dear students, what we have to do, we have to measure the all things properly. We draw the dotted line here. Understood? We have to going to draw the dotted line. Put my points, my dear students, we are going to draw a dotted line. Here is the spoon above. Understood, my dear students? Okay, so now here we are going to measure. See, this is the key. Yesterday I was give you this homework. Okay, so my dear students, is the home key. K-E-Y. K is straw and spoon. So we have to measure. Okay, after you write and then we will going to check. So my dear students, we are going to learn these all things, all objects. Understood? So first of all, here we will check. Okay, my dear students, so now here we will check the length of all objects. So here is first key. So key is what, my dear students? See, 4 and 5, in between 4 and 5 is middle line. So what we will conclude here, between a 4 and 5, not exact on a 4 and not exact on a 5. So what we conclude, 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and the centimeter scale, not a meter. Then after the straw, so where is the straw? Straw is exactly on the 9. So we will move, say that 9 centimeters. See this 9 centimeter here. Okay, and here see the distance. Got my points, my dear students? And now spoon. Spoon is see in between 8 to 9. So what we are concluding, 8.5 centimeter means 8.5 centimeter. Here we also mention 4.5 centimeter. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. This is a question number 1. So you first of all note down the question and answer, and then we move on further, my dear students. So my dear students, I hope you learn this how to measure length of centimeter or meter. You measure the centimeter by the rule. You centimeter units you measure by the ruler. Understood? Now my dear students, we are going to learn a new concept, measuring the kilometers. Whenever you are going out of city, otherwise one city to another city, one village to another village, so what we code, how many kilometers of distance, okay, means a distance unit we call the, if a distance we have to measure a distance here we have to measure a distance, so what we call a kilometer, we measure in kilometer, okay, kilometer is upgraded unit. What my dear students is upgraded unit. Okay, first is centimeter, second is meter. Smallest is centimeter, large meter, and largest what, kilometer. So now here my dear students, we are going to learn what, here we are going to learn kilometer. Okay, so now here we start with kilometer. New topic, exercise number 9A complete here. And question number 3 and 4 you will do your own self in your textbook. So now here we move on measuring in kilometer. Measuring in kilometer. Measuring kilometers. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Okay, so now I am writing here the all important things, and then we will start the topic. Okay, dear. So now you are writing with me. Note down this with me. What I am writing here. If we have, means if you have to measure if we have to measure how big, wide the ocean. You know what is the ocean, river? Okay, so it's the ocean is, or the distance from Bombay to Gujarat. Okay, you can not do it using a centimeter or meter. Here I am only mentioned here meters. You will, means we will we will what need? We will need a bigger unit. Okay, of a measurement of a what my dear students of a measurement called kilometer. What we call kilometer? What we call my dear students? Kilometer. In form short form km. Kilo of this kilometers, m of this meter and k of km, kilometer. We always describe in short form km, kilometer. What is the spelling of kilometer? K-I-L-O, kilo. K-I-L-O, kilometer. Okay, M-E-T-R-E, kilometer. But my points, my dear students. So you note down this point. You all, my dear students, note down this point in your book quickly all. And then we will move on further, my dear students. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. How many meter? 1000 meter. But my points, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. Okay, my dear students, a kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. What, my dear students, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 kilometers. Kilometers. Understood? So note down this all things, my dear students, in your book quickly. You note down this point and kilometer and km. Kilometer, kilometer. It's short form km. Km, we don't call km, km. Okay, capital K and L. Now I am going to teach you here, my dear students, kilometer, meter and centimeter. We learn this centimeter. We learn these three words: kilometer, meter, and centimeter. Largest of the three units. Longest of the three units. Longest of the three units. Okay, and short of the three units. Shortest of the three Unit. Which three unit here? So centimeter, meter, and kilometer. It's called a unit. Okay, it's a measuring unit. Okay, centimeter, meter, or kilometer. So shortest of the three units means this is the shortest measuring unit is centimeter, and kilometer is longest of the three units. If we have a check the how long is a train. How long is the train? How long is the route of Bhavnagar to Mahua? Bhavnagar to Mahua. So we are not taking in the centimeter. We are not measuring by the centimeter, by the meter. Only we have to check in the kilometers. Okay. 35 kilometer is routing of Bhavnagar to Mahua. 40 kilometers. Okay. So now I will okay, so now I am going to explain you what is a kilometer. First of all, you write these all things, and then we will going to explain. Okay, means my dear students, now here after we are going to write measuring in kilometers. Means directly we have to measure kilometers. Okay, now here further we are going to learn exercise number 9b. What we are going to learn? Exercise number 9b. Here is new concept. Again I repeat my dear students, a longest train is the word is the Bombay, and is the 1 kilometer means 733 meter long. Okay, so we have to check, but you reminder 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1000 centimeter, as like 1 kilometer, so 1000 meters. What my point? Don't forget to this all things. Now I explain you, if you have to measure how with the ocean, river, or the anything distance from the Bombay to Gujarat, you cannot do it using meters. We cannot use here the centimeter or meters. Okay, we can use here. We will need a bigger unit. Okay, centimeter is shortest of the three units. It's the meter. We cannot take the meters. We take the longest of the three units. Means centimeter, meter, and meters. We have three units: small, very small, small, and large. Understood? So we will need a bigger unit of measurement. It's called a kilometer. Understood? I hope you all understand this box. You have to keep it in mind as per already we learned. 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. What my points, my dear students, and again don't forget to these all things. Centimeter is the shortest of the three units, and the kilometer is the longest of the three units. What my points, my dear students, I hope you all are understood better. So my dear students, now we will move on further our next session. So what we are going to do in the next session? So in next session, I will give you one thing. You have to measure the length of marker. So in which unit you are preferring, centimeter, meter, or kilometer? Understood? Now I will give you a next object scale. So which unit means you are measuring the length of scale. So which unit you are applying here? Kilometer, meter, and centimeter. If you are write the 10, but what? Meter, centimeter, kilometer. So you think about why we are taking the centimeter. If the distance is small, so we can use the centimeter. If the distance is long, so we can use the meter. If so long distance, so we can use the kilometers. Understood, my dear students? Now I'll give you two examples. Then after I'll give you a length of book, a length of a room, a length of the kitchen. So you are measuring in meter. Otherwise, I am telling you your favorite place, your home to your favorite place means, for example, any city, any village, Rajasthan, Ahmedabad. So that time, what you are preferring, which unit you are preferring that time, centimeter, meter or kilometer? Kilometer, obviously. Okay, if the unit is, means if the measuring length is so short, means what, measuring so small or short, so we can use the centimeter. If a long, so meter, and it's too much long, so kilometer. Got my points? Now in next lecture we are going to learn as that type of question. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you so much all of you. Okay, have a nice day all.